Well, I guess I'm not the only one who writes poetry or tries to write poetry. That's I'm going to read my poem. It's not a very good one, but anyways. Starts out with pranams. Namo Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prestaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swaminiti Namane Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Pracharane Nirbhisesa Sunyavari Paschatya Deshatarane. Page 36. It's really a loser. Dear Srila Prabhupada, this is my offering. You wrote, Kali'd relent for 10,000 years, a time God sent for sure, mitigating fears. You gave us hope the world would change. We read in your books 10,000 years, a sizable range. Where Varnashram would rule and demons would slump, life would be rural, with sin at the dump. Like summer and winter, reversals occur. Unnormal things happen. The Puranas concur. You gave us hope the world would change. We read in your books how the Lord would arrange. Location, 1st Avenue, Manhattan, New York City. Time, 6:30 a.m. Date, 31 August, 1966. At the UN, we sat, silently chanting. On the sidewalk, with you, no streetwalkers standing. To watch the oddity, 10 sat cross-legged, against a wall. It looked like we'd begged. A scruffy lot, a day with the prof. Passers-by scoff, thought we fed at the trough. The peace formula, some handed out. We must have looked weird. Of this, none would doubt. Our first day out, summer in the city, no clouds in sight, our necks not yet dirty and gritty. But it was lovely. We sat with the Swami on a mission important. The morning was balmy. 'Twas a clear day, not yet hot. What could you say? A threat we were not. What a beautiful day. Your servant, Mukunda Goswami.